What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on DOGECOIN. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the amazing fundamental news, with the news that will definitely push the price of DOGECOIN even higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here. At this point, when we broke this support line and we didn't even retest it from the bottom, and I've told you that most likely we will at least retest this bottom and we might go even lower. And these points might be your accumulation points for those of you who wanted to invest in this asset. But I have to say that it was quite risky entry point for the swing traders. And as you can see, we have this movement to the downside for about 12%. We didn't break this previous bottom. This means our targets are still in play, and I will show you them in a minute. And this movement to the upside with this huge volume definitely might show us that we are on pretty much safer territory and we can continue this movement to the upside. But I will show you my technical analysis in just several minutes, and let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let's start with the total crypto market cap. For now, we are sitting at $2.04 trillion of total market cap. It is a 0.59% decrease over the last day. But I think this number is incorrect because we have more green color around the top coins that we have in this list. Bitcoin has a surge of 1.17%. And Ethereum has 1.72%. BNB has a 2.28% increase in their prices. And on 7 days period, all of these coins are also in green. And I think we have to have an increase in this percent. So it is what it is. It might be some kind of minor issue with coin market cap. Let's continue with the DOGECOIN numbers. For now, it has a $24.82 billion of total market cap. It is a 5.82% increase over the last 24 hours. And the total tradable volume is $5.58 billion, almost doubled during the last 24 hours. And it is a very good sign that we have increasing volume during the movement to the upside. As you can see, we have this movement to the upside with huge increase in volume. So what was the reason of this massive price action? And definitely it was an Elon Musk's tweet. And he posted this tweet 20 hours ago, and he wrote, "Tesla merge Bible with DOGECOIN." And let me show you the shop itself. We have a bunch of goods and bunch of categories. And right here on the lifestyle category, we have several goods that are nominated with DOGECOIN only. As you can see, Cyber Quad for kids costs 12,020 Doge. Giga Texas belt buckle costs 835 Doge. And let me show you that you cannot buy the Cyber Quad because it's out of the stock. But you can buy the Giga Texas belt buckle and all other stuff that is on the stock right now. And right here you can find that it is a real price of Doge, and you don't have any options than to buy this buckle with the Doge. And it's quite interesting, and definitely it is extremely bullish news for DOGECOIN. And I have to say that all other categories has the prices in US dollars, and we have only one category that has mixed prices. And definitely this news drives the attention from retail investors to DOGECOIN. As you can see, DOGECOIN on appwisdom.io, if you switch on crypto stuff folder, is on the 6th place, and it gained about 16 rows, and it has 157 mentions with almost double in this number during the last 24 hours. And on top of that, on Stock Tweets community, we also have DOGECOIN on the second place on the watchers section, and on the fourth place on the most active section. This means definitely this tweet was a life-changing tweet for DOGECOIN, because all in all, this trend will continue, and more merges will be available with the prices in DOGECOIN. And I think this might be a very huge uptrend, and we might see the trend continuation. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that we had consistently lower lows on the price section, and as you can see on a 3 hours time frame, on the RSI we have higher lows. And this was the very strong signal that we might have a trend reversal, because it is a bullish divergence, and I made a video on these divergences in my tutorial playlist. You can watch them and you can benefit from these patterns. On top of that, let me show you how technical this asset is. We have this movement to the upside, and we hit this resistance range at roughly 16 cents, and it was the bottom of our previous price section. We have several touches of them, and we even have the touch right here at the mid of July and at the end of June. And definitely we had this reaction to the downside. But with the second attempt, we broke it to the upside and retested from the top. And this movement was extremely technical. And for those of you who follow my channel for quite some time, you could enter your position right here in order to hit next range of resistance. And definitely it was this one, and as you can see we have first reaction to the downside, but then we almost hit our next resistance, and as you can see I didn't draw new lines for several weeks, and all of the lines that I've drawn work perfectly well. And this means this asset is extremely technical. So from the Elliott wave perspective, we cannot count this movement to the upside as our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth. And let me show you why we cannot do so. If I measure the length of the first wave and project it to the bottom of the second wave, we didn't hit the one-to-one extension with our third wave. This means our third wave is shorter than first one, and definitely it is shorter than fifth one. And in this case, we cannot have this as our main count. As you can see, the length of the third wave was right here. This means it is not the 5-wave structure, but it might be something like this. We might have this as our first wave, this is our second, and we might have next leg to the upside to form our third wave somewhere in up 20s. Then we might have a retracement and another leg to the upside to finish our fifth wave. And in this case, we have, this is our first wave, internal first wave, like this. Let me mark it for you. This is our second, this is our third, fourth, and we shouldn't overlap the top of our first wave. And next wave should be right here, somewhere at this point, to complete our fifth wave structure. And let me downgrade this scale. So, what should we expect next? If it is the case, we should re-enter our position and we should break all the resistances that are above. In this case, we will complete this entire movement. And let me do some projections. If it is the bottom, and by the way, let me first of all measure this retracement. As you can see, we hit exactly to the tick the golden pocket pattern. This means from this range we might have a trend reversal. And if it is the bottom, let me project some targets of the fifth wave. In this case, I have to pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And our most conservative target might be at 0.786 Fibonacci extension level in the price point of $22.36. Next one-to-one extension, and it is confluence with our previous resistance. As you can see, it is at $23.6 price point. And the most aggressive one is right here at $26.9, and it is almost next confluence range of $27 that I drew previously. So, this asset is on fire, definitely is on fire. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!